Hello everyone, this is Siddharth Mukherjee. I am starting a live streaming session with my channel Bulls and Bears Fight, and with this channel I am starting the learning sessions. How we can identify the exact tops and bottoms, and even if the intermediate tops and bottoms on the intraday basis. So if anyone want to join, please join, and let's start this session. In another 1 to 2 minutes we can start. So no one is still joining. Let's start the session. 2 minute already passed. uh, so let's share my screen. So here I have this Axis Bank chart. If you see that the Axis Bank chart, we have in uptrend direction into this Axis Bank chart. This is if we are making lower low, and there is a two ways we can make it. This one, or we can, what we can do, we can directly take this one parallel channel, and with this we can identify that what is our resistance and what is our support. Okay, so the two ways is are there, because we have to identify the exact tops and bottoms, that we can do like this. Okay, your screen is one not visible. uh, 1 second, sharing. 1 second. From the entire screen. Is this uh, s- is this visible now? My screen is visible now. Rahul, you are there? Hey Rahul. Yes, yes, yes. So, am I audible? Can you type yes? If am I audible, please type yes in our same Bulls and Bears fight chat, and you are able to see my screen as well. Okay. Yes. Okay. Fine. So let's go to the Axis Bank. Axis Bank, we were seeing that there was uptrend was going on, and how we are drawing this one. Just simply what we are doing exactly here. Take one parallel channel and see that what is the direction. So if we start making like this, uh, higher low and higher high position. So this was the support, this was the support, and third support we will get somewhere here, 1212 approx. This would be the support. If it will fall further, so with 996 or 1000 we will get the support. Okay. Don't know it is going to happen or not, because we have this support as well, this support as well. But that support, if you see that, it already got almost breaked, almost it got breaked. Okay, it almost got breaked. So that means we are going to head another 60 70 60 point 70 point fall into this Axis Bank, but don't know it will go reverse and then it will fall. It could be, the possibility is there. Okay, so what we have done, exactly, we have done higher highs and higher lows we have marked, and we have seen that overall trend is up, because in corona it was near 287, and from there it started upside. And if you go here, the high was this one. High was exactly here, it got the resistance and it fall, and then from here it went upward, and it took the support, exact support here, and then went upward. Always remember that whenever we are doing the price action, so the levels which are exactly strong resistance or strong supports, if those are got breached, so this area was a strong resistance. If you see that this area is a strong resistance, even if one, this area is also a strong resistance. So when this area got breaked, it take the support, and then went upside. So if you are thinking that you have lost the opportunity of this breakout, don't think like that. Just make an one alert nearby, and you will get plenty of opportunities in future to buy in this area, because what FII and DII are doing, they are, FI is selling, then DII buying, and if DII is selling, then FII buying. So what will have, one, uh, one equilibrium positions happening into the large cap, because large caps are more volatile in nature, but more stable in the price action. If you see that, if this price got breaked, but below this price it never happened. So it came to this area to check that buyers are available or not. And if they have seen that the plenty of volumes of buying volumes are there, if you see that regularly buying volumes are there regularly, so if plenty of buying volumes are, then it went upside. So always remember that whenever we are doing the daily chart analysis, we have to think like this one. Now go to the current scenario. In current scenario, uh, the trend was, if you see that it is overall in uptrend, from year wise. But if we analyze the September or October month, what happened? October month, from here, September, October month, it started falling. Correct? September month it went, August month it went and then down. That means almost sideways. But September in the month upside, October month downside. So whenever we are doing intraday trades, on the intraday trades, last 1 to 2 months, what is the trend? That is important. Not overall yearly trend. That is not important. Yearly trend is not important. What important is overall, what is the trend of last 1 or 2 months? Okay, for the intraday. And intraday, if you're seeing the October and November month, there was fall was there. Even if November month, if you see that that fall get continued, and then little bit reversal happened, and December started falling as well. And we exactly in Friday, Thursday, I think Thursday or Wednesday, my analysis got failed. How it got failed? I got trapped as well. If you see that we were in the support zone, we were in the support zone, either in the Axis Bank or in the banking sector. Okay, and what happened on the day 13th of December? If you remember that everyone saying that the fall will happen, and the fall happened. But from here, pushback, a bullish, uh, bullish, bullish candle was there. It is bullish pin bar, and when this side, this kind of bullish pin bar in the support zone is happening, always remember that there is a fairly chances are there that it will went up, it will go upside. And from which how much it will went up, the immediate wherever the resistance is there. So if you see that this is the resistance area, this is the resistance area, this is the resistance area, so these are the resistance area. In this area it will go. Okay, and this was the what I was thinking, that bullish pill bar happened, it will went up at least. And same whatever the large caps are happening, the large cap same kind of natures are there, so they are doing the same kind of activities. It will end went up rather than it went up. What happened? It it one candle it made and then came down. And to identify this kind of trade, what we have to do in the 15-minute chart, 13th January, how behavior is there, that behavior need to identify that. If you see that market opened here, market opened here, and then it followed. What was the trend? Downtrend. And what was the previous day trend? It was sideways. So I will take top, I will take bottom, bottom of the previous day. This is my important levels, because previous day high and low is very important for me. Okay, and what happened? Next day it opened below the previous day low, and it follow through happened. And you see that the very good support zone is there. Till the support zone it came, and it breached that support zone as well. And till which one? In this support zone, till this support zone, next support zone. So how much it breached? From 1124 to 1115, and from here it went up. When this kind of candles are happening, when this kind of candles are happening, what you have to do, just buy in a cash or buy in a future and buy in a put, buy in a call, or do in a bull put spread. Bull put spread when you are selling the 11 1120 put, and buying lower level put like 1100, 1100 put you are buying, and 1120 put you are selling. This is the bull put spread. Okay, and if you are doing the call, buying normal naked call, that means you are thinking that it will go up. And what happened? It went up. If you are buying in a cash as well, it went up. What would be your first assumption? That it will going to stop here. But what happened? It went till the actual resistance of the previous day and stop there as well. That means the full bullish candle happened, down then up. Okay, and a body formation happened like this. So this area and this area become weak, this area become body, because this area didn't have a fall. What we have assumption that next day it is the follow through will happen, and that didn't happen. What happened? Which kind of sideways was happened here? Same sideways it happened next day. And if you see that inverse hidden soldier was there, this kind of mistake anyone can do, that I did as well. If you see that inverse hidden soldier is there, inverse hidden soldier there, correct? And this inverse head and shoulder, I was thinking that it will break and bank nifty will make high. It will, the whatever the trend was there, the downtrend, it will get breaked and upside will happen. But it got reversed and it breaked. When this line got breaked, when this line got breaked, because now you see that for next day of the trading, what you have to do, the previous day high and low you have to work in 15-minute chart. This is the high, this is the low. This low got breached, retested, and you see the follow through of fall. Next day, again what happened? Next day, what you will do? High you will mark, and the same what is the previous to previous day is low, is that is high, and this is the low of the next day. It got breached. This what got breached, and again fall happened. So what is happening exactly? The follow through of the trend, whatever the previous trend is there, that previous trend is going on. It is not going to reversing anywhere soon. And you see that properly wherever the supports are there, those supports are getting respected, but resistance, wherever the resistance are there, those resistance are exactly brutal for the buyers, and sellers are selling like anything. You see that from there, whatever the downtrend is there, so anyone, you will see that how the gap up and gap downs are happening. If anyone is uh, understood that one, okay, how the gap ups are happening or gap downs are happening, I understood that very well. Whenever the resistance you will get, even if support you will get, and trend is down, you assume that next day going to happen what? At least 4 to 5 rupees or 10 rupees downside will open. Okay, and because market is also, global market is also same kind of thing, so gap down is are happening. You see that from here to here gap down happened, and immediately it took the support. Which support? Which support? If you see that in daily we have this kind of supports are there. So Rahul, if you remember that when I was giving you training, that this kind of supports you have to draw. Until unless you will not draw this kind of support lines, you will not able to understand that how the price actions are happening. You see that that support get validated, and from here the pullbacks happened, and here again selling started. And selling started where? The resistance zone. This is the, this level is what? Resistance. Those sellers are here, and those sellers are what you can do here. Whenever trend is down, you sell from here. So better be in a side. What are the majority is there? The buyers are in the minority. They able to push the price till the selling price, but they can't able to push the price above the selling price. If they able to push it, then they will get dominant. But what happened? It is not happening. Okay, it is not going to happen till, if you see that, to break them, they have to break the this trend line as well, and this kind of trend lines are not breaking very soon. The trend lines are not getting breaked very soon. It take time. Okay, and what happened? It fall from here, again took the support, fall from here, again took the support, and they take the resistance of which one? Trend line resistance. Here the resistance is the normal horizontal resistance. This is the trend line resistance. The trend line resistance again next day gap down. And now this time what happened? Oh my god. Again got sell. And now if you see that this is also the support area, but you have to draw that support. This is the also the draw that support. This is the support. If you draw this, is this line. This line you will draw this, because this is the resistance, and from here the open. Now go to the 15-minute chart, you will able to see that exactly we able to identify that resistance area. Correct? This is the resistance area, that where exactly the line, the draw I happened in the daily chart, that that exactly got validated by this one. Even if what you will do, take the high, this high resistance, and take the exact low. Rather than making confusion, take the exact low and now go to the 15-minute chart. You see that little bit here and there, but it here it will came, took the resistance and then fall. Understood? Any Rahul, you are there? Can you unmute yourself? Able to unmute yourself or not? I don't think. Can you chat in your Bulls and Bears fight? And even if you go to the Nifty, you can see that same kind of things were happening. You see that I have today morning I have made the analysis, and same kind of things are happening. In 15-minute chart, you see that previous day high and lows are very much important, and previous to previous day high and low as well. So if this was the previous day high, if this is the previous day, if you see that this is the previous day low, okay, and this previous day low, uh, when got breached, the sailors can't able to make this made the buyers to touch that area as well. But if you see that how this area it got it, you see that from here, this becomes support, this becomes support, this becomes support, this becomes support. That means this is the valid trend line. Let's draw this one, and you see that you got the exact resistance here. You got the exact resistance here. Kept down, took the resistance, then fall happened. So in this area, what you can do when trend, you see that yesterday trend is down. So next day, you can take the chances from here in this area with 20 point, 30 point. In the future, you can short 20 to 30 point future. Exact what you have to do, mark exactly in that area with the 10 points, 20, 10 to 15 points here and there. Okay, and short in this area, and your stop loss will be 25 point above. Like if this is your 24051, so 24076 or 80 is your stop loss. Okay, stop loss in a very small stop loss, and you can see that fall. Even if for this one as well, if you see that this is your support, the support got breaked, the support got breaked by this candle. What you can do? Take this candle high as in your stop loss and short with the next candle. Here you can see, if I remove everything here, this was the bullish spin bar happened, correct? The fall and then upside happened. So how this area got the resistance? You can see that this area is resistance due to this these candles. This support and resistance make this area a resistance area. You see that this area trend, what is the trend, overall trend, we can see that trend is down, little bit pullback, and a little bit pullback, and then again down. So what happened exactly, why this got the pullback? What we have to do for the analysis purpose, date and price range. take the high, take the low, take the high, take the low, and exactly in a 50% area, 50% of that high and that low, you get the resistance. From here to here, you get the resistance. Why you got the resistance? Because previous high or previous high and previous low, when I the date and price range, when I mark that area is obviously the 50% area is resistance area. Okay, anywhere this concept is valid for anywhere. If you see that this high and this low, you will got the 50% area resistance. You see that almost in the 50% area for this high and this low, this high and this low, you got the resistance here. Then it will fall and then again resistance, then fall. Again you will see that. So why 50, in the 50% area it got the resistance? The price, time and price got squared. You see that the 50% area, this high and this low got the resistance in here. Okay, if we have to take this one exactly, this one, and expand it, you see that almost 50% area it got the resistance. This is GAN theories, or few GAN theories are there, and those GAN theories are exactly the 25%, 50%, and 75% area are important area where you will get the turning point in your prices. Okay, anywhere in any time frame, in any candle. If you see in the daily time frame, you see that here you will get the 50% area. This is the 75% area, correct? In the 75% area, you got the resistance, and then it will fall. So you can see that when you get the resistance and downtrend, and when you get support in an uptrend, you can compute that one. You can tell that one. You see that here again in the 25% when it went up, you got the support in the 50% or 25% area, because 75 up in a uptrend, 75% area is this one, 100% area is this one, and uh, yeah, like this one, 75% area is this one, and then 0% area is this one, 0 to 100. Okay, so you will get the resistance, you will get the support, that is fine. And even if with the price action as well, you can do that one. This was the high, this is the low. Just what you have to do, mark it. After opening, you just mark it in the next 30 minutes or 1 hour, whatever the high and lows are happening. This is the previous day high and low that you have marked, and next day price opened here, because uptrend is there. If you see that uptrend is there, so it opened little bit high, but it took the support here and then fall upside. It got breaked. When this previous day high got break, you assume that it will go little bit upside, and then some resistance will happen. Okay, some resistance will happen, then it will get fall. But fall till which position? You can check that till 50% area it is happening, previous day high till 50% area is happening, or where the my price got opened today till that area. So you see that your price opened here, you mark that high. Okay, opening area till opening it fall. Here is the lowest risk is there, because trend is up, you can buy here, and your stop loss is what, 30 to 40, because of trend is going on, 30 to 40 point downside, and wait at least 15-minute candle, wait till here, you can wait 15-minute candle, and you can see that uptrend get started and going on. So Trading in a 15-minute chart is not very much difficult if you identify the previous day high and low. If you are not identifying the previous day high and low, then you can't able to make it, because this is very much important for next day of trading. If you see that this is high, this is low of the previous day, and next day price got opened here, you just take a one mark here, because price got opened here, and you see that it break out, and from here you see that strong candles are happening in a 5-minute chart or like this, and start buying. When this will get cross, you got the more confirmation, because trend is up little bit, and you see that previous day trend was down, and this trend was up, this trend was up, so this trend was sideways, and again it started making up. You can buy here, you can buy here, and hold some time with the your candle below stop loss. So see some magic what is going to happen. Okay, and you see that this got support, because here is the one high is there, that high if you mark it here, exactly you got the support. So these areas are very much low losing zone. You can buy and hold, and 30-40 point below you can buy. You can take your stop losses, and those stop losses never never got hunting will not happen. Hunting will happen when you enter in the middle. Even if in the sideways market you can make 30-40 point with the previous day high and low. Let's say this is the sideways market, correct? This is the pure sideways market. I will take this sideways market high, I this take sideways market low. This whole day happened here, from here to here. Okay, now what I will do, mm, market opened here, I will make the candle like this. This candle got breaked upside. I will buy here with the stop loss of one or two candle low, and you see that exact resistance. I will sell my whatever the position is there. So 24,410 to 24,000 25 sorry 25,410 to 25,440. You know that this is very narrow space, so those 40 point space will get filled here, and then again the fall will happen. Trend is what upside, so what you can assume that it will go up again, but support is needed. So you see that here the support was there previous day, where a opening was happening, that was the support. I told you that low you have also have to mark. You have marked it to the low, and you see that here market opened in a sideways like doji, and it went up and take the support of the previous day opening. Previous day opening. You have marked it. Now you can buy here, because trend is upside. You can buy here. This is your buying zone. From here to this side, this is your target. Or sometime what will happen if you leave let it complete the 15-minute candle, let it complete, you see that big high, and now you are seeing that some doji candles are started forming, you can take your profit. Why? Because trend line resistance is also there. Trend line resistance is also there, you can book your profit there. And I will suggest that don't short, don't take any kind of put anything on those zones. If you are taking it in these zones, any put you are taking it, take your stop losses here and make it intraday basis, because trend is up. So in the next day you see that it opened high above this one, so you will get panicked and you will square off your position. So if any kind of put or any kind of shorts are happening, it should be intraday basis, because trend line resistance is there. And where is your taking, you should take the profit. This is the support zone and this is the support zone, and you see that the people take the profit, and from here the reversal start also. Okay, so everything is all about the price actions. And why those areas are important? Because in these areas, either buyer or either sale get their strength lesser than the opponent, either buyer or either seller. But how you identify that which one will get the strength and which one will get weaken? The based on the trend. If trend is upside, in the support area, buyers will get its strength, or then seller, and seller got weaken. Seller got the strength in the resistance area. Okay, but it should be the intraday basis, not in the positional basis. Because positional basis, what will happen? Buyers will trying to control the sellers. Same will happen in the selling zone as well. The seller will control the seller will control the positional market. Overall, they will control, but buyers try to push the prices upside in the intraday basis, and this will happen regularly. Hope you people have liked. I think only you have joined. So only two and three people have joined. So this is the actual that how exactly market is forming the trends. The trend is down. Always you can see that there is a resistance zones are getting created in opening candle. So if you see that here, trend is down, it opened in below side, mark that opening, mark that opening. Okay, this is my opening. And in the downtrend, when it start going down, that means this is your high, current high. And previous day, this is low, previous day low. And this is your previous day high, correct? You see that it went down, it went down. Somewhere it got the support. This is the support. Why? Because previously there, this area is the resistance, and now it became the support. From the support to resistance, it moved, and again seller got the strength because trend is what? Trend is down. So seller will get the strength and they will sell it heavily. The buyer will not able to mark that area, and that you see that volume of the seller is also high in this area. And from here to here, they got the strength, proper strength. In the last 15 minutes of candle, buyer tried to push the market, and they able to next day open the market where the exactly previous day previous day opening candle was there, because was the opening na. This is your opening candle, 15-minute opening candle, correct? And even if you got this support and resistance area due to the previous resistance, and it fall, try to open higher but fall, and again you mark it. Next day you want to trade it, mark that area high, mark that low. And what is the opening? This is the opening, this is the opening candle, correct? Try to open higher to lower side. That's why this red candle happened. And you see that it tried to, when this day happened, new day happened. The new day, it tried to push the price the previous day high, eh? And trend is down. It got the resistance. Which resistance? Trend line resistance. Trend line resistance. And price got fall. Correct? And if you see that there is a pattern is also there. If you see that there is a pattern is also there, but those kind of patterns are bakwas pattern. When trend is down, nothing going to work, it fell. Inverse head and shoulder. Inverse head and shoulder. This head and shoulder work. This head and shoulder work, and it will get the breakout. But this head and shoulder never get the breakout. It always get the breakdown. So many people have teach you that how that head and shoulder, inverse head and shoulder is exactly working. This head and shoulder will go upside or downside. Many time I have seen that it will go downside as well. Okay, it will many time. It depends on the how this neckline will making the trend slope. How the slope is formation, slope formations are happening. So identify the slopes. And until you will not identify the slopes, the slope is upside or downside. You will not able to make it. You will not able to make the money. Even if downtrend as well, downtrend as well, it always fail. It never will go upside. You see that many times we have seen that. You see, uh, this is the high, previous day high. This is the previous to previous day low. This is the low. Now see that how happened the trade. Trade trend is down. That's why it went down. First 15 minutes, and then it went up. Try to push the prices here higher, but trend is downtrend. Then the trend line resistance it get the trend line resistance. So two kind of resistance, trend line resistance, and in this area exactly what's happening, prices will not get pushed up. Why? Why prices will not get pushed up? There is a reason is there. Price are always in a sync. Price are always, it already as per the price cycle, higher high already happening here. It always go in a certain degrees. It always go in a certain degrees. Okay. It already high here made. It was the abnormal high. That's why it fall. If anywhere you want to see that what is the where the next low is going to happen, you take the higher price 26,278. Just do the square root of that one. 26,278 square root. What is the price? 162. 162, just you move in a in this area. 162. Exact high to low we have made. Correct? How we made it? We have just made it the high and low based on the previous price pattern and GAN square root. This is the mathematical calculation GAN did, that any high and any low, if you will do the square root, you will get the immediate next high or next low for at least 3 cycle. So this is the first cycle, this is the second cycle, and this is the third cycle. It got validated in the fourth cycle as well sometime. Okay, you see that high, fault, high, fault, high, fault, low, up, up. How you know that this is the high or this is the low? Previous was high, this is the low, and if this is the low, this is the low, the high should happen here. But what happened? Here the high happened. Here the high happened, and it got the multiple resistance here. Before the 50% area, it got the high. This is my 50% area. This is the another analysis that I'm doing. Before the 50% area, it got the high. The high should come either here or here. But what happened in the 25% area, it got the high. Then that means this is the 25% area where it got the high. That means low is going to happen next 25% area, and high again it will going to happen in next 25% area, correct, and low is going to happen next 25% area. That's why this low to this high has very minimal difference. How much difference is there from here to here? 162 bar is spent, 8 days sprint, and what is the move is there? Only 1.13% move is there. But after that, what happened? Because this time already it had spent. This is called the time and price uh, contraction. Time and price contraction, and what happened? Then expansion. When contraction will happen, then expansion will happen. So expansion will happen, then this is the expansion area, correct? This is the expansion area. Next 162 candle, it will expand. And what will happen here? What we will do? We will mark the high and low of this candle. We will mark the high and we will mark the low of this candle. We will see that which area it will go. It is going to. Okay. And trend is what? Trend is sideways to downside. Okay. Trade is sideways to downside with the last cycle. So what will happen? Breaking this candle, seeing this red candle, I will short this one with very minimal stop loss. Happened, and where it will got where it will exactly how we know that this is our profit booking zone? Because here we have already, this is the support zone. This is the support zone because this was the low, and somewhere for this day, this date, this is the support low area is there, and this is our high area is there, correct? And this is our again high it made. I have identified that high area and marked that candle. Next day, what will happen? You see that again it got the resistance area because trend is down. That's why it got the resistance. Even if you see that trend line is also down, trend line is also trend line resistance it got and down. Fall till till which area? Till which area? You can see that here till this area. Now the price action, I'm mixing the price action with the your price time cycle. And what happened from here to here? It fall till this zone. You see that these two lines just we have drawn because with the previous support and previous resistance area, somehow it was there in the. So whatever happened in the past, that will happen in the future. Nothing is going to happen new under the sun. Above the sun, everything is old. Nothing is new. Same kind of things are happening. The patterns are happening the same again and again. If you see, if you identify this pattern of the day, it will happen mostly on the Friday or Monday. Okay, I will tell you. You identify this pattern, you see that this is also happening, and this is happening in the sideways market. The down, then up, down, and if trend is down, then it will go down only. It is not going to make up. And trend line resistance is also, you will see that. And you see that why you identify that this is the support zone. In support zone, if you buy, your resistance is going to happen this one. Okay, and now you know that your cycle is going to end here, correct? You close your all short position, and let's wait here, because what will happen? Price start moving upside or downside. So let's do the confirmation. High and low mark, high and low mark. You see that again, it is going down. That means actually the real downtrend is there in this stock. You see that here, if you're taking one lot of put with the stop loss of this area, that means you are assuming that it will go upside. I will just square off my whatever the put I will take, or if because you are selling the put or buying the call. If you are buying the call, your stop loss is this area, and if you are buying the put, this is your stop loss area. Correct? You see that, and wait for the 15-minute candle. The candle is what? The candle is hammer pattern. Downtrend, it is called hammer pattern. Same as a trend was upside, it was called bullish bullish pin bar. Just opposite, it will get called. The whatever the trend is there, based on the trend, the uh, those things are getting called, and it will fall till which area? Again, this one area. You identify that. You can see that this area is again 25% of this. If this is my this zone is my 100%, this is the 50%, and from here to here, if you see that from the 50% zone, the reversals happened. This is the 25% area, correct? This is the vertical 25% area. This is vertical 25% area. Take what happened last time, same happening again, and you mark that area. Remove those everything. You mark the area. Upside break, upside break. Here, proper candle. Take the stop loss of this candle. Go for long. Because candle nature, you can say that with the candle nature, you can say that it is going to make it. And trend line resistance is also there. Proper trend line resistance is also there. So this is your profit booking zone with the stop loss of this. And next day opened high, you can go for buy with the stop loss of this zone. But how you know that where is my profit booking zone? Mark the high. Mark the high. Hope this session you would have understood this one, and whatever we have marked it in future as well, those areas will get the support and resistance. When you see that it got breaked properly, it fall. Properly it fall. Correct. So what happened in the past, same will happen in future. Nothing is new under the sun. Hope you have liked this video, and we will do the session next week as well on Saturday or Sunday. Thank you everyone. I will plan next time. We will plan it properly. This time I have not given much time to join everyone. Uh, but though I will next from the next time, I'm 30 minutes before I inform everyone. Only Saturday Sunday I got the time. That's why this was unplanned. But let's do it regularly now. Thank you. Thank you.